S26 Ultra is suddenly everywhere. New updates, leaked clips, even an alleged unboxing. And if you're confused right now, you're not alone. That's exactly why we're breaking everything down. What's real, what's fake, and what actually matters before launch. Before we go deeper, quick heads up. If you're considering the S25 Ultra, Samsung is offering a solid deal right now through a product linked in this video. Keep that in mind, because after what you're about to hear, this choice won't be easy. Samsung is officially changing the S26 Ultra design this year, and yes, the Unpacked event is now locked in. Evan Blass, one of the most reliable leakers, has confirmed the launch date, February 25th. No guesswork, no maybe. This one's firm. What makes this interesting is the timing. The S26 Ultra is launching nearly a month later than the S25 Ultra, and that delay isn't random. The Ultra itself stayed on schedule. The problem came from the S26 and Plus models. Production for the Ultra started back in December, right on time, but delays in the base and Plus variants pushed the entire lineup back by about a month. That's the real reason behind this late February launch. Now let's address the so-called S26 Ultra unboxing video floating around. Short answer, it's fake. There are multiple red flags, starting with the camera design, which doesn't look authentic at all. The box is another giveaway. It doesn't match Samsung's real packaging, and realistically, with launch still over a month away, getting a real unboxing right now is almost impossible. This looks like a dummy unit, not a final device. Ice Universe shared the clip, but the original source remains unclear. Even he avoided going deep into details. One thing he did point out, though, is the front camera cutout. It's noticeably larger this time. That change lines up with earlier reports. The S26 Ultra selfie camera now has a wider field of view compared to the S25 Ultra. That's why the cutout looks bigger, and this difference has already been confirmed. Moving on to the full-spec comparison, both phones use a 6.9-inch display, but the panel tech has changed. S25 Ultra used M13, while S26 Ultra gets the newer M14 panel, yet peak brightness stays the same at 2600 nits. Powering the S26 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. RAM options are where things get interesting. There is a 16GB variant, but only in select markets like China. Everywhere else, even the top storage model sticks to 12GB. Cameras are mostly unchanged, but there is a downgrade. The 3x telephoto drops to 10 megapixels, and according to Ice Universe, the aperture is actually worse than on S25 Ultra. That's the step back he warned about. Battery capacity stays at 5,000 mAh, no upgrade there, but charging finally improves. 45 watts on S25 Ultra jumps to 65 watts on S26 Ultra. Wireless charging also increases from 15 to 25 watts, and magnets are now built in. The phone is slimmer too, dropping from 8.2mm to 7.9mm, and slightly lighter at 214 grams instead of 218 grams. Small changes, but they add up. Now the big question, price. Pricing has been all over the place. First, no increase, then confirmation of a hike from Korean media. Even insiders say this is changing last minute. Samsung risks losing buyers if the price hits $1399, especially when updates are limited. That's why the S25 Ultra deal right now makes a lot of sense. If this breakdown helped clear your doubts, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep separating facts from noise. Till next time, peace out.